everybody, it's Bunny and I come to you guys with my makeup half done because the theme of today's VLOGOWEEN video is testing out spooky, creepy makeup products. I have a lot of exciting things to show you guys today. I feel like I've been hoarding these for a really long time and today is finally the magic day that I get to show them all to you. The first product that I'm going to show you guys is actually today's video sponsor. Today's video sponsor is Kiss. We are going to be looking at their Impress press-on manicure Halloween designs for this year. You guys know that I am always going to every store that carries Impress manicure looking for their special Halloween collection. This year they have 6 brand new spooky Halloween designs. You guys know I have been wearing Impress press-on nails forever. They are so quick and easy to use. You can get a perfect one-step gel manicure in just minutes. The Super Hold adhesive allows nails to stay put and perfect. My absolute favorite thing about this product is that there is no glue needed. With no glue means no drying time. All you have to do is pick whatever design you want. Then you just pick out which 10 nails are the perfect size for you. Be sure and not forget to use the enclosed prep pad to thoroughly cleanse your nails before application. Then all you have to do is peel the backing off and align the tab with your cuticle. Press down firmly on all sides and you will get a perfect gel manicure in minutes. Another great thing is it is hassle-free removal with no nail damage, and you never have to worry about chipping or dulling, so your nails will look perfect. You can find these awesome haunting designs at Walmart and online at impressmanicure.com. They have so many awesome designs this year. It was hard for me to decide which ones I even wanted to put on for this video. I went with this set that has mummies and witches and jack-o'-lanterns, but another one of my favorites this year is this adorable one with candy corns and ghosts and spiders. Then we have these that I'm obsessed with as well. You have beautiful black glitter gel on the bottom, haunted houses, graveyards. There are so many awesome ones that it's gonna be hard for you guys to choose which one you want, so you might just be like me and get duplicates of all 6. I honestly am just so excited every year when they come out with the Halloween sets because you guys know me, I always like stock up because I like to wear the Halloween nails sometimes year-round. Thank you so much to Kiss Impress Press-On Manicure for being today's video sponsor. Now let's get into all of these other spooky products as well. The next product I was so shocked to find at Ulta. I actually bought this 2 months ago and I was like, what is going on here, Ulta? Whatever it is, I like it. This product was in the little like impulse buy sections right before you check out. I saw a skull and I was like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know what it is, like my whole life, I just am obsessed. I love skulls and skeletons. What is it inside of me that makes me so passionate about these things? Ooh, maybe it's my own skull. This is a lip balm, and I kind of don't even know what brand it is. Rebels Refinery, I guess, but then it says Superbia Mint. Be all my sins remembered. There's just a lot of verbal vomit going on this packaging. I think that we're just going to twist off the back of the cranium and lift. He has lip balm in his skull. Ooh, I love mint things, you guys. Particularly mint lip balm or mint lipsticks. Is there a medical scientific term for lips? You know how I like to call fingers phalanges? I wish I could call my lips like feels like EOS, looks like EOS. Wait, is EOS called EOS or is it called EOS? It's just a lip balm. I don't even know how I thought that I could like, look at the swatch. It's clear. Ooh, oh my God. It's like a tingling, burning mint. I'm excited. Let's apply some spooky makeup. I saw this on Instagram and I was so excited for it. ever since. It is a Wet n Wild and it's called Color Icon. This is the limited edition zombie blush. Not sure what makes it a zombie, but I'm not questioning it. The product does look silvery gray. Very, very sparkly for a blush, but it definitely does say blush and a highlighter, so I don't know what to expect here. Also, check out my mermaid brush. You guys, this is like a silicone mermaid tail brush, and this is from Unicorn Lashes, I believe. I don't 100% remember. Let's just go ahead and pick up some of the product just like that. Can you guys see anything? Ooh. Okay. Stuff is happening, right? Just like I like it. Loud and proud. Like in your face kind of red fevery blush. One side with our beautiful zombie blush. The other side with nothing. This is a year-round usable product. It's not really costumey. 2 thumbs up from me. Definitely needs a little bit more blending. But overall, I think it was under $5. Looks great. Love it. Love the name. I'm here for it. Are you here for it? That was the next product, and I hope it lived. Oh, wow. Okay, well, this right away gets a wonderful drop test check. This is Makeup Revolution London. Brand seems a little redundant in their name choices, but whatever. This is the Haunted Lights highlighter in the shade Your Soul. No, it doesn't have a shade name. They should have called it Your Soul. Absolutely loving the pan and the skull inside. He looks like a friendly little bloke. You might want to take him out, get a coffee. You know what I mean? The pan is so gorgeous. It's like I don't want to touch it, but you know, you gotta touch it to use it. Around. Ooh. I saw stuff. Wow. Okay, I see stuff happening. People in the back. I'm gonna dim the lights a little bit because sometimes I feel like with the blinding lights, it's hard to see things like highlighters and such. So give me just a minute. Grab a snack, grab some popcorn. Can you guys see it? Does that make it any better? This is almost like one of those weird ones a little bit. I can see it. Okay, I feel like it's picking up a little bit on the camera now. I feel like it looks really, really good in person, but I'm not sure if the camera is loving this one. It gives you a nice ethereal, rosy, pearlescent kind of glow. It definitely is a more subtle glow. If you're somebody that loves to see your highlight from outer space, then this might not be the highlighter for you. Up next, I have been holding on to this for months, and it has taken an absolute test of will for me to not open this sooner, but I wanted to have this experience with you guys on VLOGOWEEN, and this is maybe the biggest box of perfume I have ever gotten in my life. This is one perfume in this head-sized box. It's from a brand called Kilian, and this is called, I don't know if it's called Black Phantom or Memento Mori, but either way, I'm here for it. From what I saw online, this perfume comes in a skull-shaped box for which there is a key, and you have to unlock the box to access the perfume inside. Look at this in there. Oh my gosh. Look at how awesome this is. There is like a design on the side, which kind of reminds me of Versace. This is an absolute gorgeous vanity piece. And oh my God, I just opened it. I thought I was gonna have to use a key. Oh, is the key on the inside? No, all kinds of weird stuff's going on here. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm sad I kind of ruined it for myself because I was like, oh, you have to use the key. No, you don't, and I can't even find the key. Let me just recreate the magic for you guys. Oh my gosh, it does actually lock. I'm like so excited by like just a very simple locking mechanism. It's probably been around since like the Middle Ages. You can take this lining out altogether so that then you just have a nice lockable box when you're done using it to keep your perfume in. Now is the moment of truth. Am I going to like how it smells, or am I gonna think it's totally nasty? Wow, this is just a really high quality bottle of perfume all around. Ooh, okay, so I definitely think that this is unisexy. It does have a more like manly cologne smell to it, and I'm honestly not bothered by that because I wear men's cologne all the time. So let's go ahead and give a couple spritzes. It wafted right in my nose hole. Resounding endorsement, like when I spray it and then I'm just coughing up a lung. It's like a heavier woodsy scent, maybe a touch of patchouli. I'm very excited, and I also feel like this will be a product that Dogman and I will share. I feel like he loves scents like that as well. Moving along, I am a little bit nervous about this product, but also excited to try it. They are spooky lashes. I always have to trim my lash bands. The normal like size of lashes, the lash band is always way too long for me. How do you trim these and not ruin the spiderweb design? They almost look as if they're made of paper. Oh my gosh, they are made out of a paper. Wild. There's really only two ways in my mind that they can look, silly or good. Which is it gonna be? Take your vote now. Lash glue, please be my friend. An ode to lash glue. Hoping once the glue dries down a little bit more that they won't be so stubborn. But right now it's like I can get it to adhere on one end and not the other, and then vice versa. Now I'm just stuck to my fingers, so that's great. Let's start over from square one. Okay, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. I'll be back. Ugh. This is a product I'm kind of on the fence about. Overall, I think that they look really cool and really glam, but since they are paper, they're easy to like damage and curl the ends of. They are not that comfortable. Once again, since they're made out of paper, they're a little bit more on the rigid side. Normally, when I have any other kind of standard eyelash in the world, like I'll kind of like turn them around to help curl the lash band a little bit more, to help them apply easier and look more natural when they're on. Unfortunately, you just kind of can't do any of that when the product is made out of paper. But definitely they're probably designed to just wear to a Halloween party for a couple of hours and not like an all-day Halloween glam look or anything like that, or for like normal day-to-day wear, which is kind of how I evaluate all these like spooky makeup products, is just basically like, could I wear them on a Wednesday in February? Would that be possible? Up next is another kind of novelty item that I also grabbed at the grocery store. These are called Crystal Vampire Bite tattoos. So you actually get 80 tattoos in here, and they look like little blood drips. I'm going to put a couple on my neck. They look awesome, and they only cost a couple of dollars. And it's also really cool that you get 82 on here. I feel like, you know, you could share them with friends, all that good kind of stuff. Oh my gosh. They are so sticky, they stuck to my fingernail. The adhesive feels really strong. Like, I feel like these would stay stuck for like a couple of days through showers. They look really awesome. They had a couple of other designs as well, but I am completely into vampire stuff, so I got the bloody vampire bites. Last couple of products are two new Sugar Pill lipsticks, one in the shade Trick and the other one in the shade Treat. I feel like the packaging is also always really adorable. Oh my gosh. I feel like you can tell in the tubes that it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of Treat because I'm gonna apply Trick. I feel like a black lipstick would just look so much better with the look that I'm going for today. It has like a cinnamony, dare I say, pumpkin spice scent to it. Look at that. I'm loving it. First, I'm going to put on a lip liner. I feel like I kind of cannot wear lipstick without lip liner. I'm just one of those people. So I'm going to put on the Petit Four, still don't know how to say this, lip liner from ColourPop, and I'll be right back. One of the coolest things about Sugar Pill metallic glittery lipsticks, in my opinion, is the longer you wear them, the more they matte down, and the more you rub your lips together, the more that the glitter like kind of surfaces to the top and becomes more noticeable and more prevalent. And in the case of this shade, in my opinion, it just keeps making it more and more awesome, because you will see more of the orangey flecks start to come out, which is just the perfect Halloween combination. That's all the spooky products that I have to test out today. Let me know if you liked today's video, if you would like for me to try and gather up more Halloween beauty products and maybe make another one of these videos. Let me know which product was your favorite, if you're gonna grab any, which you'd be most excited to try. A huge thank you to you guys for being here today, for hanging out, and for watching. Don't forget, if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!